We learnt about mode in the previous module. Now in this module we are going to learn about the next central tendency, and that is called median. This word median we have already heard in geometry. The segment which divides a triangle into two equal parts is called as a median. We have heard this, correct? Now there are 5 people standing one after the other. The third person is called the median. Because why he is called median? Because before him there are 2 people and after him there are 2 people. Same way in statistics, what is the median? The median is the value which is there at the center of the data. Okay, that is called median. And median is given by a formula. Median is equals to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. This is the value of median. Now let us understand each term that is present in this formula. But remember always, in median the classes must be continuous. So what we understand, in mode as well as in median the classes must be continuous, but mean the classes anyhow it is given, it is okay. Okay, so let us start. Median formula, median is equals to L plus n upon 2 minus CF the whole upon F into H. Let us understand each term present in this formula. L stands for the lower limit of the median class. Okay, N stands for total frequency. CF stands for cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Okay, F stands for frequency of the median class, and H stands for width of class, any class. Okay, now we heard this word median class. How to locate this median class, we should know that. So let us understand how to locate median class. There are few steps for that. First, find the value of total frequency n and divide it by 2. Suppose the total frequency is 100, divided by 2, you will get 50. Call this total frequency upon 2 value, call this value as x in your mind. Check cumulative frequency less than type column for the value x. In the cumulative frequency column, which we have made less than type cumulative frequency column, check the value for x. Okay, the cumulative frequency which is just greater than or equal to x, the corresponding class is called the median class. Whichever cumulative frequency is just greater than or equal to this value x is, whichever class has this x is the median class. Okay, you will understand better with the help of a problem, right? So let us take this problem. The following table gives the distribution of lifetime of 400 neon lamps, and the 2 rows, lifetime in hours and the number of lamps. These are the lifetime in hours given, number of lamps. Question is, find the median lifetime of a lamp, right? So the very first question, looking at the classes, are the classes continuous? Yes, the classes are continuous. If they were not, you have to make them continuous. So since they are continuous, we will copy the first 2 columns will be the same, the classes and the frequency that is given to us. So first column will be the classes, and the second column is the frequency, that is number of lamps, and the third column goes for cumulative frequency less than type. In cumulative frequency less than type, what we do, we add all the frequencies from up to down. And when we are adding all the frequencies from up to down, what happens? The first frequency and the cumulative frequency remains the same. So this 14, that is the first frequency, you have to copy it as it is in the CF column. So 14 gets copied as it is. Now what you have to do? You have to go on adding it with the next frequency. Now this 14 plus 56 gives you how much? 70. And this 70 will be written in the CF column. Now what we will do? Now this CF what you got 70, you will add it with the next frequency. 70 plus 60 gives you 130, and that 130 you will write it there. Then 130 you will add it with the next frequency. 130 plus 86 you will add it and write it there in the CF column, that is 216. 216 you will add it to the next frequency, that is 74. 216 plus 74 gives you 290. 290 you will add it to the next frequency, that is 62. 290 plus 62 you will add it and you will write it in the next row of CF, that is 352. 352 you will add it with the next frequency, that is 48, and then you will add it 352 and 48 you will get 400 and you will write it in the CF column. Now if you have added all the frequencies from up to down and the last value of CF you got 400. And since the last value of CF is 400 you got after adding all the frequencies, same way what will be the total of this frequency column? The total of the frequency column will also be equals to the last value that you got, that is 400. We will write the total frequency denoted as small n for median. It is nothing but 400. Okay, so we have prepared the table. Now our job is to locate the median class. Now how to locate the median class? What we will do here, this n upon 2 is nothing but what? 400 upon 2. 400 upon 2 is how much? 200. Okay. Now what you will do, this n upon 2's value we got it as 200. What you will do, which CF is greater than or equal to this 200, you will check. In the CF column that is there, the third column, which CF is greater than or equal to 200, which CF? Okay, first is 14, 70, 130, 216. This 216 is greater than 200, just greater than 200. Okay, so this 216 is just greater than 200. Whichever class has this CF becomes the median class. Okay, so which class has this CF? 3000 to 3500. So that becomes your median class. Okay, so this 3000, which class it lies? It lies in the class 3000 to 3500. So that becomes your median class. So therefore, median class is 3000 to 3500. Okay. Now let us note down the values. The frequency of the median class. How much is the frequency of the median class? Median class is 3000 to 3500. What is the frequency of the median class? 86, and that is F. And this 1/3, the frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is CF. Okay. So let us note down all the values. L is a lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of the median class. How much is the lower limit of the median class? 3000. Okay. Then H, width of any class. Width of any class by subtracting two consecutive lower limits, it is 500. Okay. Then F, frequency of the median class, is 86. Okay. And then CF, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, it is 130. So all the values we have noted now. Now let us use the formula of median. Median is equals to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F, the whole into H. This is the formula of median. The median is the whole into H. The median is equals to L. What is L's value? 3000 plus n upon 2. What is n's value you got? 400. 400 upon 2, that is nothing but 200, minus CF. CF value is 130 upon F. F value is 86 into H. H value is 500. Okay. So what we get is 3000. 200 minus 130 is 70. 70 into 500. 70 into 500 will give you 35,000. 35,000 upon 86. Okay. This 35,000 and 86 you can reduce it. It will be 17,500 upon 43. That you can divide it. So you will get 3000 plus 35,000 upon 86 also you can divide. You will get the value 406.98. And 3000 plus 406.98 gives you 3406.98. Now what units to write? The units will be hours, the unit of classes. Okay. So that is your answer for median, 3406.98 hours.